Hey everyone, today I'm going to be sharing two very simple DIYs for that farmhouse inspired look. Welcome to the Diva Den. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you these two really simple DIYs that I did over the weekend, and they were inspired by that farmhouse look that I love and I see all over Instagram. And these were really simple to do and required very minimal material. The first one I'm going to do is make this sign for my house, and I found the articles at the dollar store of all places. So I picked up this canvas and this wall mural that's just a stick-on one. So first things I'm going to do is paint this canvas with some chalk paint that I already had on hand, and it's in this beautiful soft gray. And what I loved about the sign was it already had that distressed look. So I decided I wasn't going to worry about covering my whole canvas. I wanted it to have that distressed look underneath the wording. And that came in handy because I really didn't have much gray paint left over. So that decision was pretty easy to do. So I'm just going to cover my canvas with some of the chalk paint, and like I said, I'm not even going to worry about making sure I have the whole canvas covered because I want it to have a distressed feel. So once I got the board covered and the paint was dry, it was time to apply the wall mural. And it was as easy as opening the package and sticking on the words. That's it. But you see what I mean? How the letters already have that distressed feel about them. So I was so happy with the way the canvas turned out underneath. It really gave it that farmhouse look and feel that I was going for. And it looked like I had done all the distressing when in actuality, it was already done for me. And I love the way it turned out. Now this next project is just as easy. I took some white chalk paint that I already had on hand and a piece of pine board where I had been doing, testing out some stains on the back. And I just gave it a quick coat of the white chalk paint. Now these letters I printed off my computer. I found them on a blog through Pinterest. If you just look up farmhouse lettering, you'll find all kinds of places where they offer free downloads of letters. So all I did was print off the letters I needed for my sign, cut them out, and now I'm just going to apply them with some Mod Podge. And that was as difficult as that got. And after I applied them, a few spots I found on the letters I hadn't really, cut them very nicely. So I just took my black paint pen, gosh, can't say that word, paint pen, and just filled in some black to just give it some depth and make sure that it looked nice. And then I gave it another coat of Mod Podge over all the letters, and that was it. And then my wonderful husband hung it up in my kitchen. And here's the first sign I made. I'm loving it. I put it in my front hall and I've started placing some of my Easter decorations around it, and I think it looks so cute. Are you guys a fan of the farmhouse style? I love it. I don't have a lot of it in my house, but I do love it. But let me know in the comments below if you're a fan of this farmhouse style. I see it all over Instagram. Or what is your favorite style to decorate your house in? But I'm loving adding these little touches of farmhouse inspired looks to my home. But now I'm going to move into my kitchen where I think this is my favorite DIY I've done in a long time. I am absolutely loving this sign here. I didn't know what to put above this kitchen window, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money, and I didn't. And I love this look. It's exactly what I wanted. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching and for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll think about, maybe even subscribing, liking, and sharing this if you enjoyed it. I'd love to have you stick around each week and join me as I try different DIYs or cleaning videos, all kinds of things to help inspire you to make your home a reflection of you. I really enjoyed doing this, guys, and thank you once again, and I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye!